Hi guys, it's me again, Fly With Me FPV, and what I have here are two micro modules, 2.4. One is from BetaFPV, sorry, this one, and then this one is the HappyModel. This one is the Pro Series. I could do 1 watt. I did test the power output on the SMA, and it's pretty accurate. They're a bit above. This one can only go 500 milliwatts, and this Pro Series HappyModel can do 1 watt, and both are actually cranking power on the SMA as per spec. I am late coming into the ExpressLRS train, so to speak. I've been a Crossfire guy since Crossfire came out, and didn't really pay attention to it until recently. Been seeing a lot of posts in social media on how good it is. So I got these from SN Hobbies. Both are available. I think this one also has a 915 version, but again, both of these models are 2.4. So what we're gonna do today is I'm curious, before I put this into my quads, I wanted to see the output power, how much does it consume, how much power, how much amps did it pull, depending on the power level. So I have my T16S, and I have here a watt meter power analyzer from Turnigy. I've been using this during back in my plane days. Very accurate. And I don't know if you can see that, but basically I just customize a harness, goes there, sucks the power from here, and then I'm using a 5000 GNB what do you call that, pack for the radio. So anyways, we're gonna plug it in. We're gonna try to go to each power level and see how much amps it pulls. All right, so I plugged in the BetaFPV module, and oh, by the way, if you're gonna jump into ExpressLRS, I know OpenTX works with both modules or ExpressLRS, but I switched to EdgeTX. I just find it a lot better, especially for the T16S, because now the touchscreen works on my radio. Anyways, let's just move this out of the way. All right, so I'm gonna power it on.
Fly fast or go home. Throttle warning.
Oops. All right, so if you notice that I'm running EdgeTX here, it's saying 0.69 amps, so that's basically 69 milliamps. So let's go to the settings. If you're not familiar with T16S, OpenTX is pretty much the same. You click here, loaded the ExpressLRS Lua script. I think this is version 2. Sorry, yeah. Press that, and if you can see it, let's go down to TX power. Now it's in 500 milliwatts. So now it's pulling 0.65 of an amp under 500 milliwatts. So now we could change that to press and then 250. It goes down to 57, 58. All right, let's bring it down further. 100 milliwatts. Yeah, very slight change actually. 0.51 of an amp. Let's I don't know if we could still bring it down further. 50 milliwatts. There you go. 0.49 of an 0.49 amps. Can you do further? Lower? Yeah, 25 milliwatts goes down to 47. Anyway, so not really big difference on how much milliamps it. Oh, there you go. It actually went down to 0.37. Okay, let's crank it back to. Oops. Dynamic is off. Let's put it back to 500. See. All right, there you go. 54. Yeah, it took a while, eh? 60.65. Now I wonder if we change the fan threshold, crank this up to I don't know, it's 250 as milliwatt. Does that affect? No, it's not. I think that's just a threshold. Okay, let's just bring it back to, I think, 250 milliwatts is the default. Alright, so with BetaFPV at 500 milliwatts, you are about averaging 64, 65, you know, 0.65 amps. Okay, not bad. If you're using a 5000 milliamp hour battery, that will run for a while. I just don't know if with Edge TX and the screen having the touch screen working now, if it actually pulls more amps. But anyways, all right, let's switch to BetaFPV.
Fly fast or go home.
All right, so now it's the, I don't know if you could see that, but there you go. That's how it looks like. The BetaFPV, sorry, the HappyModel module doesn't have a joystick, and it doesn't have a USB-C connector. So if you want to update the firmware, you have to go the Wi-Fi route. It's pretty straightforward, really, on how to do that. So right off the bat, let's see what this is set to. Oops. ExpressLRS, TX power. Oops, nope, nope, not that one, this one. So it's set at 1 watt, and it's pulling about, I would say, 85 average, 84.84, 85, right? So let's bring it down to 500. Oh, that's a significant jump. Okay, so now it's 69, 68.68. All right. Bring it down to 250. Okay. All right. And let's bring it down further to 100. Yeah. Okay. I think this could also do 50. Yeah, not much of a change from 100 to 50. Anyways, bring it down to 25. Yeah, not much when you go down. What I noticed with the HappyModel version, or the HappyModel ExpressLRS mod, the Pro series, the fan is it's noticeable because well, now it stopped because we brought it down to 25 milliwatt. But if we crank it up to 1000 milliwatt, that should jump, and the fan kicks in again. That don't make sense because the more power output you produce or ask from the module, then the components will heat up. So anyways, that's a very simple test. Now you know, probably rig some of my quads with the ExpressLRS receiver. What I got was from BetaFPV. You can also get these. All of these are available from SN Hobby. So these are the nano receivers. They will work, you know, because it's open source protocol. It will work with either BetaFPV micro module or the HappyModel. So anyways, guys, I hope this video is you know, helpful to you if you are planning on using or jumping into the ExpressLRS. If you find this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you could give me a thumbs up. Or I try to do as much of these videos to help out you know, whoever is either starting or just doing some research on their gear. What I usually do is, you know, try to test these things before I put them into the quad, and as soon as I put them there, you know, if there's anything that worth mentioning that hasn't been either tested or mentioned by YouTubers that do this, Joshua Bardwell and a lot more, then I'll do it. Anyways, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and till the next video.